My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video I will show you the urgent update of Dogecoin, friends. As you know, Dogecoin is one of the best cryptocurrencies, and I'm sure Dogecoin make millionaire in 2021, friends. Friends, before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video, friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel, friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently price of Dogecoin. What is the currently price at this time in the market of Dogecoin? 0.382237 USD dollar is the currently price of Dogecoin, friends. And if we talk about the price change occur in Dogecoin, so the last one here will change as positive 0.14%, the last one week change as positive 0.39%, and the last 1 week change as positive 51.36%, friends. As you can see here, friends, it is the start of new month, friends. As you know, it is the start of a new month, friends. A lot of cryptocurrencies falls down, friends. Why the change of Dogecoin at this time is in positive, friends? Why? If you think about this, no, you can't think about this, friends. If we look the previous last 1 week change, so the previous last 1 week change is about 51.36% change occur in a Dogecoin, friends. And if we look the price change occur in the last 1 day, so the last 1 day price change is about 0 point, oh my god, 0 point, man. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Dogecoin, friends. Let's see the last 1 day for better understanding. As you can see here, friends, here is the latest update of Dogecoin, friends. As you can see here, it is the start of new month and a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down, friends. Same like that change occur in the Dogecoin, friends, but we can't see the funding of Dogecoin, friends. As you can see here, at this time the funding of the Dogecoin starts now, friends. That is the last 1 day price prediction chart, and this time the funding period of the Dogecoin starts now. Same like that when the funding start, the price funding also, the percentage funding also starts now. If this kind of change continues in a Dogecoin, so I hope maybe they falls down very deeply, friends. But friends, don't worry. As you know, if you're a holder of cryptocurrencies for a long term, so you know about this, that every cryptocurrency falls down in the start of new month, friends. That is a phenomena of every cryptocurrency, not a Dogecoin. A lot of cryptocurrencies this time falls down because due to the start of new month, friends. Same like that, the Dogecoin also falls down, but we can't see the negative change occur in the Dogecoin due to the highest jump, friends. As you can see here, friends, so soon the change become negative. So I make this video for all of you that don't worry about this fast. That is a temporary fast of Dogecoin. After 2 days, after 1 day, this fast again become positive and they take a high jump, and I'm sure that Dogecoin make millionaire in 2021, friends. Marks my words, friends. What's your opinion about Dogecoin? Please don't sell it at this time. Hold your coin, Dogecoin. I hope that will give you very high profit in this month, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your opinion about Dogecoin and also click the subscribe button right now for my support, for my viewers support, friends. I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay happy, stay home.